Today we're looking at the top 3 best foldable electric bikes. I've done the research and found a set of must-have options for different needs. Whether you're focused on price, performance, or everyday use, I've got you covered. Links are below, updated for the best prices. Now let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Apus folding electric bike. Looking for an electric bike that has the power to conquer steep hills, the range for long rides, and the convenience to fit into your everyday lifestyle? The Apus Max is built to deliver all of that in one package. Whether you're commuting through busy city streets, exploring off-road trails, or heading out on weekend adventures, this folding electric bike is designed to make every ride smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. The Apus Max is powered by a powerful 1800-watt peak motor that delivers an impressive 110 Newton-meters of torque. This strong motor gives you rapid acceleration from 0 to 20 miles per hour in only 5 seconds, helping you get up to speed quickly whenever you need it. It also handles hills with slopes up to 25 degrees, making steep climbs feel much easier. In pedal assist mode, the bike reaches speeds of over 30 miles per hour, giving you a refined Class 3 riding experience that is perfect for performance commuting, urban cruising, and longer adventures without sacrificing comfort or power. Long rides become much more enjoyable thanks to the high-capacity, removable 48-volt, 18-amp-hour battery, which provides 864 watt-hours of energy. In real-world riding conditions, you can expect a range of around 40 to 60 miles on a single charge. When using pedal assist mode, that range can stretch up to 85 miles, giving you the freedom to travel farther with fewer charging stops. When it is time to recharge, the battery only takes about 4 to 6 hours. It also features an advanced battery management system, a lockable battery for added security, and an IP65 water-resistant design that helps keep it protected in changing weather conditions. Comfort plays a big role in every ride, and the Apus Max is built with a full suspension system to handle rough terrain with ease. The front suspension fork works together with the rear hydraulic horse link, also known as a quad link suspension, to absorb bumps and reduce vibrations on uneven surfaces. Large 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires provide excellent traction and stability, giving you better control on gravel, dirt, sand, snow, trails, and smooth city roads alike. Safety is another major strength of this electric bike. Upgraded 180mm dual hydraulic disc brakes provide strong and dependable stopping power, allowing the bike to come to a stop in as little as 2 seconds for greater confidence at higher speeds. An integrated headlight, brake light, and turn signals improve your visibility during traffic and low-light rides, helping you stay seen by others on the road. Hit subscribe like you're folding your bike in one smooth move to impress everyone around you. Number 2, best overall, Haybike Saturn electric bike. Looking for an electric bike that combines bold style with serious performance? This moped-inspired electric bike is built to do exactly that. It doesn't just help you get from one place to another, it gives every ride a unique look while delivering the power, comfort, and versatility you need for everyday travel and outdoor adventures. One of the first things you'll notice is its bold moped-inspired styling. The premium design features a long bench seat, an integrated lighting housing, and an aggressive fat tire stance that instantly grabs attention wherever you go. It combines the eye-catching appearance of a motorcycle with the convenience and practicality of an electric bike, making it a great choice for riders who want something that stands out from the crowd, while remaining comfortable for daily use. Performance is just as impressive as the design. With a powerful peak output of 1,800 watts and 95 Newton-meters of torque, this electric bike delivers quick and responsive acceleration whenever you need it. Power is delivered smoothly, making every ride feel controlled and enjoyable. Whether you're riding through busy streets, tackling hills, or exploring outdoor trails, the strong motor provides the confidence and climbing ability to handle different riding conditions with ease. The removable 956.8 watt-hour battery is built for long rides and dependable performance. Under pedal assist, it can provide a range of up to 50 miles, giving you plenty of freedom for daily commuting, weekend adventures, or recreational rides without constantly worrying about recharging. Since the battery can be removed easily, charging becomes much more convenient and helps reduce downtime between rides. Need extra carrying capability? This electric bike is ready for it. The comfortable dual saddle design allows you to bring along a second passenger with ease, making longer rides more enjoyable for both riders. If you need to haul equipment or supplies instead, the heavy-duty rear rack is designed to handle up to 450 pounds of cargo. Even better, the rack includes pegboard-style mounting holes that let you attach hooks, bungee cords, or custom accessories. Whether you're carrying groceries, camping gear, toolboxes, or everyday essentials, the rack offers the flexibility to adapt to your needs. By the way, which of these bikes would you choose? Tell us in the comments. Number 1, our pick. Jasian X Hunter Electric Bike. Ever wanted an electric bike that feels powerful enough for tough trails while still being practical for everyday rides? The Jasian Electric Bike is built to give you that perfect balance. Whether you're heading through busy city streets, riding along sandy beaches, or exploring mountain paths, this bike is designed to deliver the performance, comfort, and convenience you need. One of the biggest highlights of this electric bike is its impressive peak brushless motor with up to 1,400 watts of power. Combined with stable 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires, it provides excellent traction and reliable performance on a wide range of surfaces. Whether you're climbing steep hills, cruising over loose sand, or riding through uneven roads, you'll have the power and confidence to keep moving. With a top speed of up to 30 miles per hour, this bike offers a fast and exciting riding experience while maintaining stability and control. Long rides become much easier thanks to the upgraded 48-volt, 13-amp-hour removable lithium-ion battery. On a full charge, you can travel approximately 55 to 70 miles, depending on riding conditions and usage. The removable battery design makes charging simple because you can take it indoors instead of moving the entire bike. It is also built with dust-proof and damp-proof protection, helping improve safety while extending the battery's lifespan, so you can enjoy dependable performance ride after ride. Comfort is another area where the Jasian X Hunter stands out. It features a full suspension system designed to handle rough terrain with ease. The 80mm front air suspension works together with the responsive rear shock to absorb bumps, dips, and uneven surfaces. This dual suspension setup helps reduce vibrations and provides a smoother, more controlled ride, making long journeys and off-road adventures much more comfortable. Practicality is built into every detail of this electric bike. The foldable frame quickly collapses into a compact size of approximately 33 inches by 16 inches by 30 inches, making storage much easier when space is limited. Weighing around 71 pounds, it can fit into many car trunks, and is also convenient for commuters who use public transportation as part of their daily travel. Its portable design makes it an excellent choice for both everyday commuting and weekend adventures. The bike also comes equipped with an easy-to-read screen display that clearly shows your speed, battery level, and distance while you ride. Reliable disc brakes provide dependable stopping power, while bright LED lights improve visibility during low-light conditions. You can customize your riding experience by choosing from 3 riding modes and a 7-speed gear system to match different roads and riding styles. With a design that arrives approximately 90% pre-assembled, getting started is quick and straightforward. Remember, we've done the hard work sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product information, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.